Choosing between Leap.new, Replit, and Lovable, let me break down which one is actually worth your time. First up is Leap.new. This is built for real developers who need serious backend work. It creates full stack apps with actual databases, APIs, and cloud setup. You deploy straight to your own AWS or Google Cloud account, so you own everything. It uses Encore framework for the backend and Claude AI for code generation. The big difference? Leap gives you complete system architecture with live diagrams and clear documentation. Think microservices, not just simple pages. Next is Replit. This is the most popular option with 40 million users. Replit is a full cloud IDE that runs right in your browser. It supports over 500 programming languages. The Replit agent can build entire apps from your description. It also has two AI helpers, an agent for building and an assistant for tweaking. You can code, test, and deploy all in one place. Replit works great for students, hobbyists, and small to medium projects. It's super collaborative and perfect for learning. Finally, there's Lovable. This is the easiest tool for non-coders. You can just chat with AI and it builds your apps. Lovable creates beautiful front ends super fast. It uses React and Tailwind for styling. You get a working prototype in under 10 minutes. The best part? It connects to Figma so designers can turn mockups into real code instantly. Lovable focuses on speed and design, not complex backend stuff. It's perfect for quick MVPs and landing pages. So, which one wins? Well, it depends. Leap.new is perfect for experienced developers who need production-grade backends and want to deploy to their own cloud. Replit is the middle ground, good for learning, prototyping, and full-stack projects without the complexity. And Lovable is best for non-technical founders and designers who need pretty front ends fast. Leap gives you real architecture, Replit gives you flexibility and collaboration, and Lovable gives you speed and simplicity. Price-wise, Lovable starts at $20 per month with a message system. Replit has free and paid plans with usage-based billing, and Leap uses token limits and is designed for serious projects, not hobbyists. My verdict, use Leap if you're building real production apps, use Replit if you want to learn and build medium-sized projects, and use Lovable if you need a beautiful prototype today. Now, go build something.